In this video, I would be demonstrating how to use Ethereum JavaScript API along with Microsoft Azure to develop a web application to track specific of a product within a supply chain. Now, I'm using Ethereum blockchain to store information about batches of food. My application gives unchangeable track of origin of the product as well as its trails it takes until it reaches consumer in the store. To achieve, I make a Solidity contract and a simple web interface. In a typical tracking scenario, different parts of supply chain would like to keep certain proprietary information secret to them. Example, a producer wants to share information about the quality of the produce with the supplier but not with the producers. Similarly, a supplier wants to hide information about the specifics of a producer with other supplier but wants to share it with the store, and all participants in the supply chain would need to share information with the government. So here we are trying to achieve this via a passphrase concept, and only those who know the passphrase will be able to read the secret. So every member in the supply chain can choose whom to share the passphrase with. My application supports three different scenarios. For each new batch of the product, I will add a new contract in the chain instead of tracking all products with the same old contract. This approach is much more efficient as I can abandon contracts at the end of the chain rather than keep adding and making them large. Applications will be able to write information to the contract, be it the location or the secrets as was discussed before. And we can read information regarding the product path and also the secrets in case you have the right passphrase with you. So now let me show a demo of the application. Here we are adding our first transaction node. We are creating our repository here. Now we need to update. And then we need to install the Solidity compiler to compile our blockchain code. Now with this done, we would close the PowerShell. We would go to the project location and open it in Visual Studio Code. Let's wait for our code to open. So in my foodsafe.sol file, I write all the specificities of my contract. My index.html would be the layout of a simple web app. We are trying to compile our blockchain app now. And now we migrate. We start a local instance of our development server. This will host our blockchain application. Let's wait for the hosting. Meanwhile, I would just show you that I have already added some contracts in my blockchain, as you can see in this screen over here. The hosting is done and my project is running at http localhost 8080. Need to copy this address and open it in a web browser. And we have our web app open for us to create a new contract, add an intermediary in our blockchain, or get the details of a particular address in a blockchain. Let's click on create a new contract. We need to submit. And we see that our blockchain is mined and we have a new contract added as the 6th place in my private Ethereum blockchain. We here see a message saying that the contract has been published successfully. If this copy command would give us the address of the contract within our blockchain. And we can see some computations over here in our PowerShell about the usage of gas and the block number. and we click on add new intermediary to add the details about this address in our blockchain. The details would be added now, and with this I end my demo for the farm chain application. Thank you. Have a good day.